Hello.
Hello, sir.
Now I
Am
am
I
able.
audible now, sir?
Yeah, I am able to hear you. Good, very good.
Yes, sir.
Krishna Priya,
Yes, sir.
you are studying which degree now?
So I'm doing my B.Ed now, sir.
B.Ed. Acha, acha. Good, good, good. But are you going to tell this in the interview? No, not needed.
I was actually wondering that, yeah.
No, no, you should not. You need not have to tell about this. But when did you complete your post graduation?
I completed my postgraduate last year, sir. Last year.
Then it's okay. It's very much fine. Say that I have been preparing for bank exams.
Okay, sir. So, but there's a thing that I gave references. My current teachers as references. That's a problem. Will it be a problem in the future?
No, acha, acha. No problem will be there because I don't think they will be. Sir, they will go through your application and all, and the reference names you have given and why you have given that. Why you have given that. No, no, there is nothing wrong in your telling that you are doing B.Ed. But if you say B.Ed, why do you? First question: why did you join B.Ed last year? Because you had completed post graduation, then only you could have tried for bank job or other jobs. Why did you
Yeah.
want to go for B.Ed? Is it some of your relatives are in banking, in teaching, or are you so much interested in teaching? Then why did you do it? And after doing that, why do you want to come to banking now?
Yes, sir. So I thought maybe I'll say, I come from a family of teachers, so therefore I want to, I wanted to take B.Ed as a backup option in case I didn't get into bank. So I thought of preparing for bank exams parallelly while doing my B.Ed.
Mm. Okay. What is your, Acha, please tell about yourself. From there we will start.
Okay, sir. I'm Krishna Priya. I'm from Kollam, Kottarakara. And I completed my graduation and post-graduation in English language and literature from All Saints College, Trivandrum. I like to read, watch movies, and listen to music during my free time.
Oh. You think you must be able to tell something more also. You talked very less. Say, for example, you tell your name, your degree plus two, sorry, post graduation degree plus two, and the school where you have studied. And if they are good marks, you can mention about that. Then you should tell about your strengths. Then also tell about you. I mean, if possible, if they listen, you can add about your hobbies and about your parents, something like that. Last time, I think you told correctly. This time, what happened? Why did you stop with only two, three sentences?
So I thought maybe I'll give them more questions to ask so that I don't exhaust. you know.
Right. It's okay. Acha, acha. ठीक है. That's okay. Now, tell us about your family.
Okay, sir. I come from a nuclear close-knit family of four, including myself. My father is a retired high school teacher. My mother is a vocational higher secondary teacher. I have an
Ah,
elder brother as well.
so this is the reason why you joined B.Ed. You cannot suppress it. So you tell about it. You tell about that.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Last time, I think
Okay.
I told you not to tell about it, but I think now this second time you are taking this interview, no? Yeah.
No, sir. No, sir. This is my first time.
First time. Is it so?
Yeah. So I
Okay.
think you're mistaking me for someone else, sir.
Someone else, maybe. That
Yeah.
that girl also did very well. Yeah. Now, you can tell about your B.Ed because you are daughter of teachers, and it is in order in your joining there, and it is also in order you are trying to get banking job. Nothing wrong. So
Okay,
fine.
sir.
Now, so how many siblings do you have?
So I have an elder brother who's pursuing his master's in project management at Belfast University, Northern Ireland, UK.
Mhm. What is project management?
It's a subsidiary course of architecture, sir, where where you deal with architecture softwares and uh, buildings and other projects in the software.
Mhm.
Software based course.
Yeah, what is the percentage of marks scored by you in +2 and 10th?
Uh, I scored 95% in 10th and 93% in 12th, sir.
In spite of very good marks, why did you not go for science?
Actually, I did tried my hand at medicine, sir, but it was not my call. Like midway I realized it was not my calling, and then I came back and joined for arts because English was my favorite subject at school, sir.
Mhm. Good. Now, in post graduation, what are the subjects you studied in English? Like, say, what are the important plays you studied?
Okay, may we had a paper on Shakespeare, so we dealt with most of his plays, including Hamlet, Twelfth Night, and so on. Then we dealt with a bunch of American plays as well, like Cloud Nine.
Mm.
Actually had to deal with the different eras of English literature across this 2 year course. So we dealt with major plays of those particular eras throughout our course.
In what way English language, knowledge of English language has helped our country in the recent past, say about 30, 40 years? In what way has it helped us?
So literature is mainly taught with the you know uh,
No, no.
ability or the need.
I mean English language, how it has helped India, the knowledge of English to the Indians, how it has helped India.
Well, the position of English today, we all know it's the lingua language, it's the lingua franca, it's the library language, it's the window to the world. It's a subject of trade, commerce, everything. It's a subject of science, arts, and everything under the sun. So the knowledge of English can help you progress in your life professionally and gain knowledge because everything that you come across is in English, and the knowledge of English will also help you in international communication and multicultural communication as well, especially in a context like India where you have different cultures and different languages, and knowing of English can help you talk to basically anybody in this country.
Here I would have expected I was expecting a reference to IT industry.
Okay, sir.
IT industry and how BPO, business process outsourcing, how the knowledge in 90s and all, our generation was there at that time, and we people had some backing of English language as compared to the children of other countries like China, of course, Philippines is a
Mm.
close competitor compared to other countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan. We were doing better, and we had already our IT industries in the form of Infosys, Wipro, CTS, TCS. They played an important role in getting maximum amount of, say, foreign exchange for our country in terms of services. I hope you understand. You follow this? I think that it has frozen. Hello, are you able to hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hello, sir.
yeah. I think it is
Sir,
frozen. I think you are now it is okay. I think you can switch. I don't know whether your speed is less or my
no,
internet
sir.
speed
Actually, my Wi-Fi turned off.
turned off. Now it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. I switched to mobile data.
your mobile. Right. Very good. Very good. That's right. So this is a very important point you have to mention that English, not that other things are not. The point you said were very correct that it's a connecting language with the world for commerce and for all other purposes. But this is what is more important, like IT industry, we have amassed lot of wealth for our country. I think if you go through the economics history, The year 1991, we did not have money for making payment of foreign loans becoming due. Chandrasekhar was the prime minister at that time. He rushed a lot of gold to London and took money from Britain to pay this dues. From that stage, now our foreign exchange reserve was standing at $588 billion. But now recently I read somewhere they have sold $100 in order to $100 billion in order to maintain the value of rupee. The rupee's value was going down like anything. So that's what doesn't matter. This and that different. But I would like you to make a reference to IT industry or BPO industry achievement in this regard. And for that, English language was the important thing available. Otherwise,
Okay.
India could not have entered into America. Now, majority of people coming to America are only Indians.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and for studies also. That's right. So this way, English taking English, I think they can ask you these questions. Which newspaper do you read?
I read the Hindu, sir.
Hindu. Good. What can you tell some 2, 3 important news you read yesterday, today, day before yesterday?
Yeah, the most important news would be Draupadi Murmu becoming the president of India, first lady of India. She's one of the few persons from the tribal sector to become the president and the second woman to become the president after Pratibha Patel. And that would be the main news.
Hmm. Other news you are not remembering. So this is what is
Gone
happening.
blank, sir.
Yeah, this is what is happening in interview situations. You should not allow it to become so. I suggest you prepare as a. You can have my current affairs snippets also. Go through them. Important points, you catch them in your mind so that you will be able to tell them. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, that's a must. That you must prepare from current affairs also. Good. No,
Okay, sir.
are you in hostel or are you at home now?
I'm at home, sir. I'm at home.
So your B.Ed exams are over.
Yeah, first semester. First semester exams are over, sir.
First semester exams are over. Acha, acha. That means if you get this job, you will be coming out of B.Ed. I
Yes,
mean,
sir. That's right.
you have to discontinue. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Now, why Federal Bank is giving more importance for people with English, knowledge of English, those who can communicate well in English. What is the reason?
Okay, sir. I think first of all, Federal Bank is an Indian bank, and we live in a multicultural nation. So, knowledge of English can possibly help you reach out to more customers who are based on different cultural backgrounds. Because in today's world, knowing just a regional language won't help you reach everywhere, especially if you're a business, and especially if you're a business oriented in Malayalam speaking state. So you need more people who can reach out to maximum number of people through just reaching out is not enough. You have to actually understand what they're trying to say and put across your points effectively. So in that case, knowledge of good English is very, very pivotal and important for a
Yep.
banking enterprise like Federal Bank.
Everything okay, but you should have brought a word like, say, this helps dealing with corporates who are discussing things in English, and also helps in dealing with foreign countries where English
Yes.
is the connecting language. That you could have told. And regarding
Okay.
Draupadi Murmu, when you were telling without using Mrs. Draupadi Murmu. Simply,
Yeah,
simply,
salutation. Yeah, so
yeah, simply telling name, it doesn't look nice. You should give, you should, when you talk, you
respect
must,
to that person.
that's right. That's good. Which bank do you have an account?
I have an account in Federal Bank.
Federal Bank. Good.
Yeah.
Acha, Federal Bank itself. Acha, acha, acha. Which branch?
Yeah.
Huh?
Ornavatam branch. It's just roughly 2 kilometers away from my home.
Acha. How many times have you visited the branch?
After opening my account, I would say probably 2 to 3 times.
Oh, there was no need for you to go frequently.
Yes,
How do
because
you
of their digital banking facilities.
how do you manage your day-to-day, I mean, requirement of transactions through the bank account?
Through
I think
the
you
banking
better
app.
switch off your video. Please switch off your video
Okay.
because it is,
Okay, sir.
yeah, well, I think it was not coming correctly. Yeah, now, mm, yeah, I was asking the question: how do you manage banking transactions?
So through the Fed mobile internet banking app
Mhm,
and through UPI apps like Google Pay,
mhm,
Phone Pay, etc., Paytm, etc.
mhm. Good. So, what is the difference between Google Pay and Paytm?
Okay. Google Pay is more of like a transaction interface which allows you to add your bank account and transfer money through UPI IDs and using UPI pin. Paytm has an additional option of Paytm wallet where you can actually store money and you can connect the wallet for using transactions and other purposes.
No, no.
Whereas Google Pay is more like a
No,
yes, sir.
actually, the answer I expected here was the Paytm is a payment bank,
Oh yeah, yes.
and not only small payment bank. It is a scheduled payment bank. It's scheduled bank
Mm-hmm.
and a payment bank, and it's a India based. Whereas Google Pay is not India based. It's America
Yes,
based, USA based,
yes, sir.
and it's a wallet. And Paytm also has a
Mm.
wallet. Paytm is more of a payment bank now.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, and and I think though they are called payment bank, they have the facility of say giving card, Paytm card where you can make payment for sorry buy something and pay later on. That
Yes, sir.
concept. Good, very good. So, can you describe your Federal Bank branch?
Okay, so federal the my federal bank the federal bank branch of Odnavatam is located in the Odnavatam town of Kottarakara, Kerala. It is a rural branch and it's a one-story building and you have an attached cash ATM as well as the staff. They are very friendly and they give you personal what you, when you enter the bank they attend to you personally and ask what is your purpose, what's the purpose of visit, and the probable time that a customer has to spend in the bank is just close to 30 minutes because they get it done very fastly, and they also give you regular updates, and the customer service is very good.
No, but don't say 30 minutes, say 10 minutes to 20 minutes, something like that.
Okay, sir.
That's not that 30 minutes is not a very big period, but still, okay, good. That's right. Have you heard of the concept positive pay system?
Positive pay system.
Uh, not heard about it?
No, no, sir.
Okay. Today we will discuss in our class positive
Okay, sir.
pay system. Good. Have you heard of doorstep banking service?
Yes, sir. I do have heard of doorstep banking service where you can use uh, avail the banking facilities. Uh, you know, like they deliver the banking services to your home, so that you don't have to actually go to and visit the branch. It's a customer friendly process which actually you know helps you avail the use of bank services very easily. and in the purview of your home, and with the approach of a more customer friendly experience.
Mhm. Good. Why should we select you as an officer?
Okay, so I believe I have the necessary skills and abilities that is required of this role, that's required for this role, and I'm a very good listener, and I take constructive criticism in a very positive manner. I think I can use my skills and abilities promote uh, to promote maximum development of the bank and my self development as well in the process. And also, I believe that being an outsider or being far removed from the banking sector, I may be able to provide a fresh perspective to the table in the middle of all these heard before and regular ideas. I would be able to provide out of the box ideas to promote the business of the bank.
Mhm. Mm, are you capable of taking up, say, marketing business?
Yes, sir, I believe I am.
How will you fit into this? Because you are coming from a teacher's family and you have been studying English. How are you going to fit into this marketing? Come on, please sell this cell phone to a group of
Okay.
people or to one person.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay. First of all, everybody knows this is a phone. So what you may be asking, what is so peculiar about this phone, or what makes this phone?
You should not tell like this in an interview. First of all, everybody will know this is a phone.
Okay.
No, imagine you are a salesperson, come and talk happily and make me buy this.
Okay. Sir. Okay.
See,
Well.
actual reason why this becomes problem, I think I have explained in one of the classes that most of us are single child or one among the two, and we are given so much of importance at home. So we do not have an ability or a desire to speak sweetly to others in order to get things done also. Now, I'm not talking about Krishna Priya or Rama Priya, whatever it is. So that is the basic problem. So here, the job of a marketing involves nothing but you are talking nicely and making a request so that you are able to sell it. But that ability won't come automatically because you get whatever you want in your hostel or at home without you are asking for it. Correct? Am I right?
Yes.
Ah, so now tell me, yeah, maybe your experience of having stayed in a hostel may help you because you must have had to manage adjust with your roommate and
Roommate.
others.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So that would have given you a lot of help. Please sell the cell phone.
Okay. So this is a newest product that is released by our company. It is a customer friendly phone which is stacked with the state of the art abilities and facilities. You can use this phone for the ordinary purposes that everybody uses phone for, like call, send messages, and all. But you get many additional features, which is one of the main features that people need in this country is the features of security, because this phone will alert the police or any law enforcement office near you in case of an emergency. And this phone, you can trigger this phone triggers a cautionary message which will reach the nearest law enforcement office. So you will be safe in the streets or wherever you go, especially women, because we know women's safety is one of the crucial concerns of our country today. And this phone will help you and your sisters or your mothers to safely walk around the streets and do their business or do their work without fearing people or predators, basically.
It's
And
okay.
this phone, like I
It's
told,
it's okay. 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 But you could have that is okay. But before that, talking about phone, you could have added some features like say camera. Um,
Uh,
Camera is one feature which everybody tells. What else? Speed, RAM, ROM,
mm,
all those points you could have added. Talking about this product. Similarly, whenever you go for canvassing a loan or something like that, you must talk the speciality of that product and the good features of that product and try to canvass. I suggest you are going through the website of Federal Bank thoroughly
yes,
about
sir.
auto loan, home loan, education loan, then about savings bank, current account, then bank assurance products and all, so that you can talk good about those things when you go for
Mm.
marketing. Okay, good.
Okay, sir.
Which date is your interview?
25th July, sir.
26th.
25th,
Oh,
Monday,
Baba.
Monday.
Monday. Very good.
Mm.
Best wishes. And
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
read only Federal Bank website only. You must go through little more.
Okay,
Now,
sir.
tell me what is KYC?
KYC is know your customer. These are the important things that a bank needs to know about their customer, including verifying their personal details and other details of Aadhaar card, PAN card, etc. Knowing that you're a genuine and all the details that you furnish at the time of taking an account is true.
Mhm. Good. Okay, very good. So when was your exam completed?
So, 2 or 3 days back, sir.
Have you come into banking circle or not?
Uh,
Because
uh,
I didn't find you in the class also 2 3 days.
yes, sir. I was not able to. I was,
Not well.
in the midst of exams. Yeah, and the pressure of exams. Sir.
Oh, it's okay. Nice. Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Best.
Thank you, sir.
And after interview, send the list of questions they are asking.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Good.
Sure. Thank you, sir.
But from now
Thanks.
onwards till the interview, you be thinking about interview, be reading a lot, and try to improve your knowledge, expertise. You have good
Okay,
communication
sir.
skill, but knowledge-wise, I think you may have to
Okay.
improve still more. Please do that.
Okay,
That
sir.
will help you a lot. God bless you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.